what's one thing that bugs us that's kind of a process defect that we could employ some type of technology or different process to make this problem go away? Smart plugs. Nothing new, we're not geniuses. Wyatt implemented it. Another guy, Kyle, said, I'm gonna buy it. You set it up, Kyle, put it, share the password with everyone. They got it on their phones. They got it here, 2 different workstations, tap on and off. What a much nicer place to work. And at 2 o'clock, all these things turn off automatically. No over processing. So, and then, yeah, Max, we used to have these gloves scattered all over the shop. No one wanted to like replace them. Now the question is, where do we use the gloves? Well, we always come here to our tool cabinet, we call it AM Industrial, and we grab gloves. Again, why are we opening a drawer to grab gloves? Why don't we just like put them out where everyone uses them? It used to be on the tabletop. Why are we using this precious space? Why don't we 3D print something and put the gloves there? Thank you, Max. 3D printed it. Years later, we still use that. All those little improvements, it's so easy to do. And look, as engineers, it's fun to design stuff. We could have gone and bought the same thing for probably like 15 bucks on Amazon. But did Max learn something in designing this? I hope he did. Max introduced 3D printing on a larger scale in our company. He taught what, Kyle? Yeah. Kyle ran with it. And it's just like, there's 3D printed stuff like everywhere. We've got 3D printed stuff. It's just, if we can, we do it. So yeah, that's fun. Actually, there's these bins, these red bins called Schaller bins, which I think these types of guys, they're great. We had them in here for years, but as you notice, they weren't the ideal size and we were losing a little bit of capacity. So Kyle said, hey, we can increase capacity instead of buying another drawer or cart. Why don't we just reprint these? They don't make this size, but I'll spend, like 2-3 hours printing these, 4 or 5 of them a day. And then in the morning, we'll slowly start to replace the Schaller bins with our custom 3D printed bins little by little. Great. And so guess what happens there? We have more capacity. The company no longer has a need for a second cart. There's no over processing by looking through 2 carts. It's Kyle's idea. Hey, at the end of the month, little cash bonus because you made the company more efficient. You're more valuable by using brain power. Everyone wins. Company wins because we're not over processing. Kyle wins, gets a pay bump, trickle out. So